Just what a flower, just what a flower, just what a flower can do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Know what a flower can do. Hi Blossom boys and girls, welcome back to the Blossom Shop. My name is Poppy Blossom. And my name is Posie Blossom. And we're the Blossom Sisters. In last week's episode, we had so much fun making one-of-a-kind blossom crafts with you. Thank you so much to those of you who sent us pictures of your crafts for us to see and to share with our friends in Blossom Town. Yes, Poppy and I love learning about all the things that make you, you. Make sure to watch until the end of the episode so you can see the beautiful blossom we're sharing this week. Yes. Now for today's activity, take a look at our table to see what we prepared for you. Do you have any guesses as to what we'll be doing together? That's right, we'll be baking. We'll be making one-of-a-kind blossoms together again. But this time, they'll be one-of-a-kind blossoms we can eat. Yes, we're going to be baking blossom cupcakes. And we'll use those blossom cupcakes to make a beautiful cupcake bouquet. Baking tasty treats is one of Posie and my favorite things to do together. And that's because baking is so much like growing a flower. Think about it. What do baking and gardening have in common? In both, small and separate things come together to blossom into something beautiful. They are both done with love. Flowers we grow and tasty treats we bake are different every single time. They are always one of a kind. And of course, flowers and tasty treats make us smile, brighten up the grayest of days, and are the perfect gifts to share. In fact, the recipe we will be using today is one of our Mama Blossom's very own family recipes that she shared with us. And we are so excited that we can share the recipe with you today. Yes, and we hope you will share the beautiful cupcake bouquet you make today with those who are special to you too. Now before we begin baking, let's go over the things we will need to make beautiful cupcake bouquets. You will need 1 box of Betty Crocker's yellow cake mix, 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, 5 cups of confectioner's sugar, 3 sticks of butter, 2½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1½ tablespoons of whipping cream, 1/2 tablespoon of milk, and some food coloring. To put together your cupcake bouquet, you will also need 1 flower pot, 1 styrofoam ball, green tissue paper, and toothpicks. Now that we have gathered everything we need, let's begin! To download Mama Blossom's Cupcake Bouquet recipe, visit www.blossomcompanyct.com/DIY. First, let's preheat our ovens to 350 degrees Fahrenheit with the help of a grown-up. Now that we've got the oven heating up, it's time to grab a big bowl and spoon to make the cake batter. Here we go! With our spoon and bowl ready, let's get our cake mix. Open up the box and take out the bag inside. With the help of a grown-up, cut open the bag and pour what's inside into the bowl. For our cake mix recipe, we will be adding water, vegetable oil, and eggs. So let's put that all in there now. Pour in
1 cup of water. A half cup of vegetable oil. And 3 eggs into your dry mix.
It's kind of like planting a seed, isn't it, Poppy?
That's right, it is!
Once you've added all of your ingredients to the dry mix, now it's time to stir, stir, stir. Stir the ingredients until they're completely mixed together. Make sure to scrape along the bottom of the bowl in case any ingredients are playing hide and seek down there. With our cupcake batter completely mixed, we can begin scooping it into our cupcake pan.
First, place your cupcake liners into your cupcake pan, just like this. Then, with a measuring cup, place a 1/4 cup of batter into each cupcake wrapper.
There we go! Now let's head on over to the oven!
With the help of a grown-up, place your cupcake pan into the oven. Then, set your timer for 12 to 17 minutes. Watch as your cupcakes begin to grow.
Wow! Isn't it so much fun watching cupcakes rise?
It's just like watching seeds sprout. When the timer starts beeping, have a grown-up help you test if the cupcakes are done or not by sticking a toothpick in the middle of one cupcake like this. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means your cupcakes are done.
Now our cupcakes are complete. But before we begin frosting our cupcakes, we need to let them cool. So let's grab a cooling rack and put them on the cooling rack just like this.
While our cupcakes are cooling, we can prepare the frosting. Let's start by putting all our butter into a big bowl. With the help of a grown-up, beat the butter until it starts to look light in color.
There we go. Now it's time to add in the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time. Can we count together?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. After adding the 5th and final cup of powdered sugar into the butter, let's add our milk, whipping cream, and vanilla extract.
Add a half a tablespoon of milk. Next, add 1½ tablespoons of whipping cream. Last but not least, add 2½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Continue beating the mixture until it looks like a sweet and sugary cloud.
Now our frosting is almost complete. But flowers come in all sorts of different colors, don't they, Posy?
You're right, Poppy. Let's add some color to our frosting so we can create the most colorful cupcake bouquet.
Posy and I are going to make lots of different colored frostings by adding a bit of frosting into several separate bowls, and then adding a different colored food coloring into each one. Mix the frosting with the food coloring until you get all the colors you want for your cupcake bouquet.
Now that we've made our frosting colorful, we can make our frosting bags.
Putting our frosting into a bag will make decorating our cupcakes so much easier.
First, pick up a Ziploc bag and spoon your frosting into the bag. Then, with the help of a grown-up, cut off about 1/4 of an inch from the tip of the bag. Finally, tightly twist the top of the bag so the frosting doesn't come out when you're squeezing it. Repeat this step for every color frosting that you have.
With our frosting bags ready and our cupcakes fully cooled, it's time to make our cupcakes blossom.
Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the flower pot as you make your one-of-a-kind blossom cupcakes.
There are so many designs you can try. Here are some of the cupcakes we designed.
Now that our cupcakes have blossomed into flowers, it's time to put together our cupcake bouquet.
To do this,
Grab your decorated flower pot and place a styrofoam ball inside. Then insert a toothpick into the styrofoam ball wherever you would like to place your first cupcake. Do this until your entire styrofoam ball is covered in cupcakes. If you have leftovers, that's okay. Make them into individual blossoms or another bouquet. To make the leaves of the bouquet, cut some pieces of green tissue paper with the help of a grown-up. Then add them to your cupcake bouquet like this. Continue until your cupcake bouquet is complete.
Ta-da! You've just finished creating your own beautiful cupcake bouquet. Wow, it looks so colorful and delicious. I can't wait to share it with Mama Blossom and with all of our friends in Blossom Town.
They are going to love this. Just like a real bouquet, a cupcake bouquet is the perfect thing to share with friends and family to let them know that they are loved. Now, before we end today's episode, we want to share with you a one-of-a-kind blossom we received in our mailbox from Jules. Let's see. To Poppy and Posie.
Wow! What a creative and colorful blossom! We love all the wonderful words and drawings you put on your petals.
Thank you so much for sharing, Jules.
Make sure to share a picture of the one-of-a-kind blossom cupcake bouquet you made with us today to be featured in our next episode.
Thanks again for stopping by. We can't wait to see you next time at the Blossom Shoppe.
And remember,
You are Blossom. Have a blossom day.